Welcome to class 7 subject mathematics chapter algebraic expression, and it's me MD Altaf Hussain. So student, we will learn already know the use of the variable. Suppose x plus 7, 2ax plus 5ay, or you can say 2x plus 5y. So this use already we know. This one is variable and this one is also variable, but this is different variable, and it's together called algebraic expressions. So now we will define some terms here. Constant term. What do you mean by constant? So a symbol having a fixed numerical value. A symbol having a fixed numerical value is called constant. Next is, what is variable? How do you define variable? We know that in a algebraic expression, whatever English letter we are using, those are variable. So a symbol which takes various numerical value. A symbol which takes various numerical values is called variable. So this is a symbol. And expression, algebraic expression means what? Algebraic expression, it means a combination of constants, constant and variables connected by some or all of the four fundamental operations: operation plus, minus, divide and multiplication is called an algebraic expression. So we will see the example of this, so we will understand clearly. Suppose x plus y, here this one is an algebraic expression, okay, and 5x plus 3y x square plus y square plus 2, this one is also an algebraic expression, and single one number is also an algebraic expression. Now various type of algebraic expression types. So according to the term, if any algebraic expression contain only one term, only, then it's called monomials. Monomials. If it's contain two terms, then it's called binomial. If it contains three terms, then it's called trinomials. If any algebraic expression contain more than three terms, four terms, contains four terms, then it's called quadrinomial. Quadrinomials. And more than two or more than term is there, then it's called polynomial. Now we will give example of monomial. One number example, x itself 2x square 3 7, one constant term also be a monomial. Now example of binomials. So first example, two term will be there. This is a binomial 2x square plus 7y. This is a binomial x plus 7. This is also binomial. Similarly, example of trinomial. First example, 2x square x plus 1. Second example, 2x cube plus x plus 1. Third example, x to the power 10 plus x plus 1. Now quadrinomial. In this case also we have four terms. So example, x to the power 4 x square x cube x square plus 1. Second example, x to the power 80 plus x to the power 2 plus 35. Anything it can be quadrinomial. Now what do you mean by factors? Factors, suppose one term is there 2xy, so here factors are 2, then x and y. These are the factors. If 2xy plus 3xy square is there, so how many terms are here? 2xy and 3xy square. These are two terms and its factors. What are the factors? 2x and y. Here what are the factors? 3x and y square. These are the factors. Now coefficients. So what do you mean by coefficient? If you have a algebraic expression, so the variable, along with the variable, whatever constant number is there, that is called coefficient. So here coefficient of x square equal to 2, coefficient of y equal to 22. Similarly, what is constant term? So if no literal factor is there, no literal factor is there, so suppose this one is a 2xy plus 5. In this algebraic expression, 5 is constant term, and like and unlike terms. So what are the like terms? If any algebraic expressions, two terms contain same variable, suppose 2x square y 3xy plus 3 by 2 xy is there, so here 3xy and 3 by 2 xy are like terms. These are like terms. These are like terms. Again 2x square y and this one are unlike terms. Unlike terms. So now we will check the addition of algebraic expression. Algebraic expression. So addition, suppose 5x square 7x plus 3 and minus 8x square plus 2x minus 5. Another one is 7x square minus x minus 2. These three algebraic expression are there and we have to add them. So we can apply two method here. One is column method. Column method, first one. Second one is row method. So any method we can use. So first we will see second one, row method. How you will write in a row, you have to write all the algebraic expressions in bracket first. Write down, and in the next line we will take out together, we will collect all the like terms. 7x square x minus 2. In the next line we will take all the like terms together. So taken here minus 7x plus 2x minus x and 3 minus 5 minus 2. So here we will get 5 if you take common x square, so 5 8 plus 7, and if you take common x you will get minus 7 plus 2 minus 1, and if you add them you will get minus 4. So here we are getting 12 4 x square and minus 6x and minus 4. This is the addition of the algebraic expression. Now we will use same thing for in column method. So in column method, horizontal method, that one, and or row method, and now column method. Earlier one was horizontal method. Now we are going to apply column method. In this method we will write like terms one upon another, so it will be easy to add with the like terms. So we have to add these. So 3 5 7 and 7 4, and here 8, so minus 6x, and here we will get 5 8 7, so here 4x square. So we got this one as answer, and this answer is similar to the earlier answer, 4x square 6x minus 4. Now we will see subtraction. Subtraction of algebraic expression. Suppose we have 2x square minus 5x plus 7. Subtract this expression from this one, 3x square plus 4x minus 6. So solution will be what? Solution will be 3x square plus 4x minus 6 minus 2x square 5x plus 7. So after subtracting we will get if you subtract, what you will get here? X square plus 9x minus 13. So this is the answer of subtraction. Now so students, hope you understood everything very well. So you will go through the exercise yourself. Thank you. Have a nice day.